हेलो। हाँ मैं चला रहा हूँ गाड़ी। आई थिंक 10 मिनट में पहुँच जाऊँगा आपके वहाँ। ठीक है ओके। How are you?
How are you?
Fine.
Good. Just clean it and take it in.
Please take your time.
Sir, your coffee or tea? No.
Just woke up.
Okay. Make it clean. I'll try to give you a cup of coffee.
Please, thank you. कृष्णा भाई कहाँ घूम के आ रहे हो? एकदम मंदिर
हमारा से
मैं गया था मैसूर, फिर बंदीपुर,
उसके पहले भी गया था ना?
हाँ उसके
गया था।
हाँ गोवा गया था।
गोवा जाने के बाद मैसूर गया।
हाँ मैसूर गया। ये मैसूर से पहले का रोड ना अच्छा नहीं है।
अभी तो रोड बन रहा है ना?
हाँ मंडिया तक का बन गया। आई थिंक जनवरी तक हो जाएगा पूरा। 10 मिनट आप करो अपना टाइम। हाँ
Scanning machine.
Okay.
The only one machine in India.
Is it?
Yes. And the cameras are being attached to it.
Okay.
What you see that down here, when your car is coming on this, she will take the photo of the tread pattern and the depth of the button. And it will be shown in the monitor, in the big monitor it will be shown.
Okay.
The button will be shown as it is, 6.4, 5.3, like that. And the two cameras here, what you see here, these two are it will be taking a photo of a tow-in camera.
Okay.
This tow-in camera, your tire should run straight. If your tire is in and out, this camera will say how these angles are, whether it's perfect or not perfect, and recommended for the comprehensive alignment for the vehicle.
Okay.
So before goes for the balancing and alignment, this machine will instruct how is your angles are being attached to this.
ऑटोमेटिक आपका गाड़ी नंबर भी आ गया है।
हाँ।
और आपका कौन सा मॉडल है करके वो भी आ जाता है। ऑटोमेटिक वो ले लीजिए। अभी आपका अलाइनमेंट कैसा है और अलाइनमेंट तो फेल्ड है और टायर का डेप्थ आपको दिखा, जस्ट रन किया तो आपको सभी दिखा जाएगा। व्हील अलाइनमेंट फेल्ड और टायर का डेप्थ वो भी ऑटोमेटिक
Your tyre has got a positive camera. One tyre is left side, you see right side. The depth of the button you can see 5.1, 8.3, front left and right and left, and the rear right and left. You can see now. So still you have got a button, you can have a very good ride on the mileage extra. Only that recommended for the comprehensive alignment check. Already it is shown.
So it's not a big problem.
No, it's not. We can rectify it. Actually, it is like this. This machine is, we call it as a road post balancing machine.
Okay.
This is a machine which can, when your tire is being fitted, your roller will be attached to it, your tire.
Like here,
During
right?
the process, yeah. Your wheel will be attached here. Within 20 seconds, the roller will be attached to your tire. Your tire will be running statics and dynamic movement.
Okay.
Statics and dynamic movement. During that process, the machine identifies the stiffness of the tire. Stiffness of the tire, it will be in red color. and the lightest part of the rim. She identifies.
Oh, okay.
And she marks it. So seeing that mark, we adjust the line. It will be put in opposite lines. You will make it as a one line.
Okay.
So that when that adjustment is not happening, the stiffness of the tire, when your tire is coming down, you will have the feeling that negative riding. So this is a machine which identifies the statics, dynamic movement of the tire, the stiffness of the tire, and the lightest part of the rim. And you will see here the Newton. In this, if the tire is having the most probably with the stiffness and the lightest part of the rim not matching, the Newton will go in red color to 120, 100. And one more speciality of this machine is, we'll be marking the tire 1, 2, 3, 4. After finishing, we'll balance it. The machine will say where 1 should go, where 2 should go, where 3 should go, and where 2 should go.
Oh.
थोड़ा टायर का इसीलिए देखिए फोर्स में दिखा रहा है आपको नॉर्मली 90 न्यूटन रहना है पैसेंजर व्हीकल अभी तो ज़्यादा दिख रहा है 105 टायर में हाई स्पॉट और लो स्पॉट थोड़ा सा मैच करना है रिम एंड टायर चेक करेंगे चलो फोर्स मैच हो गया बैलेंसिंग ओके दिखा रहा है और न्यूटन देख लेंगे कितना आ जाएगा अभी 105 आया था ना
हाँ
और टायर राइट पार्ट एंड लेफ्ट पार्ट मैच करने के बाद 85 हो गया अभी 4 टायर भी हो गया अभी कौन सा टायर कितना डालना है करके वही बताता है तो लीक फुल है तो लीक वाइब्रेशन थोड़ा ज़्यादा है लीक वाइब्रेशन लीक फुल ही जाती है अभी आपको बिफोर एंड आफ्टर वो भी दिखाएगा बिफोर 30 न्यूटन था अभी 5 हो गया 5 से वो तो अलाइनमेंट किया तो बराबर हो जाता तो नॉर्मल है फ्रंट लेफ्ट फ्रंट राइट गया फ्रंट राइट बैक राइट गया बैक राइट बैक लेफ्ट ऑलमोस्ट एक सर्कल के जैसे गया ग्राउंड मारा अभी ऐसे ही डाल दिया।
Ready.
And my name is Rocky Green.
Hi Rocky. Hi.
Since 23 years, I'm with the Madhus Tyre Center.
Okay.
Now, present, I'm the PRO. I take care of the customers and their wants, whatever they want. Everything I take care. And I'm very proud to explain this Madhus Tyre Center is a new milestone actually. And it is in Bangalore. We started in 1970 by Mr. Madhus,
Okay.
who is a very good, the best entrepreneur, who started a small way of function, and he went into the tire market slowly. And we can see that there's a lot of encouragement from him. His son BM Ravi, who took over in a large way to start this one in an elaborated way. And successfully, he also succeeded in taking this company from 1970 onwards in Bangalore here. And the second one, BM Ravi is our boss. Mrs. Ravi started with the entire professional. At present, we are exclusively for Continental. So we have got a Kaswankudi, we got a separate showroom which takes care all the Continental product. And the third generation now what we are having is Mr. Nikhil, who is very energetic, never wastes the time and encourages always. In between from tire to, we have one more milestone we have taken, that is of the Madhus garage equipment, where we are a dealer for Hunter machine from United States. At present, we are also from tire, and tire continues, and we have got machineries, that is of Hunter machines, for wheel balancing, alignment, everything we are doing it now. So you can turn it. He is Mr. Nikhil, who is here with the father, and who is in team BHP. And these are he is our boss, who is retired and who is MD at Madhus Garage Equipment. and here his brothers. Two of them are here. So they are in Madhus at Mysore.
Okay.
So we have got 6 shops over there. So this is now at present the premises which we had at Lamport Road, Lamport Town. We have completely closed, and here we have technical and really, like you customers, really encouraging us to grow, and we wanted to give the value-added services and to give the important knowledge to the customer. That is a specialty.
Yeah.
Here customers can definitely go inside and see that the wheel balancing, road force wheel balancing is being done, statistics and time limit as I was explaining you. And alignment base, if you see that, you can see that in that elevator where tow and camber, everything is being adjusted. To that extent, even customer can come back and request us, but really they can tell us what's really wanted. And then again, we are very proud to serve as many times, as many customers we come. So that's our dedication and commitment. And from the client like you, customers are really encouraging us, and really we are growing in the market, tire market, as well as service point. No other showrooms will permit you to go to watch and see what we are doing. But here, we give a proper knowledge what you give. The money what you give is the value. So we really respect that. And please support us.
Sure.
In the coming years.
Okay.
And, I'll be very personally on behalf of Madhus, Tyre Center. Thank you very much.